It's true, plant-based diets can be good for you and good for the planet, helping with climate action by reducing water use and other inputs, including the amount of land used for food production. In these two videos, we're celebrating the joys of plant-based eating and the links between plant-based diets and climate action. We'll also be sharing a few inspirations in the kitchen to get you started on your culinary journey of cooking and eating more plants. It may surprise you that today, more than 80% of all farmland is used to either raise animals or grow the crops that feed them. This results in less habitat for wildlife and more emissions contributing to climate change. Healthy plant-based diets have a much lower impact on climate change, water use, fertilizer use, and especially land use. Eating this way can help to slow down the Earth's warming and begin to restore health to the land and ecosystems that have been degraded. We need more resilient natural ecosystems that absorb the carbon that's in the air, and we can do that by focusing on sustainable food systems that include more plants. As nature heals, the benefit will be there for the planet and for each of us on it. Okay, the main takeaway, plant-based eating is planet-based eating. Let's take a bite out of climate change together by enjoying some good plant-based foods.
Pasta, probably I'm going to cook the pasta right in the sauce. So, you know, the pasta will be nice.
Apples? No.
No, these are purple potato.
Really?
Yeah.
So what do I love about plant-based eating? So many things. It's good for our bodies, it gives us lots of energy, tons of health benefits, and it's great for the planet, and it's so cheap. A bag of beans or lentils costs so much less than meat at the store, and it's full of such good protein. There really are so many options for everyone, from stir fries, dals, curries, burgers, cheeses, pastas, and more. Really, there is something out there for every family to enjoy. Plant-based diets that are full of healthy proteins, think tofu, beans, and lentils, when they're eaten together with healthy fruits and vegetables, they really reduce health risks. They reduce types of cancers, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. At the same time, when you grow plant-based foods, you produce fewer climate-harming gases, which leads to a healthier planet, which is good for all of us. And when those plant-based foods come from your local environment, you help to build a stronger, more resilient food system in the face of a changing climate. Well, let's check out another great example of plant-based cooking in our community.
Bao is basically a bun. Bhaji is a generic term for vegetable, and so hence they're like, use whatever vegetables you want. So together it's Pav Bhaji. Bottle gourd, potatoes, carrots, and cauliflower. Cooks with like pressurized steam, so it's very quick. You don't need oil in that cooking, so it's like steaming the vegetables. But I got cumin, onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, and some green chilies. So a lot of recipes in northern Indian cooking have the base of a masala, which mostly has these ingredients. Some sort of like base spice, cumin, mustard seeds, tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. And then you can add lentils to it, some other vegetables to it to make like the base of the curry. It's the base of the curry.
Okay.
Tomatoes naturally have MSG in them, monosodium glutamate. You get all the vegetables going, dump all the tomatoes in, put your spices, and then cook.
Okay. That's so nice.
This is a cooked down onion tomato masala. It's pretty strong if you taste it as is, but it's supposed to flavor this entire pot of only salted vegetables. So I'm gonna mix it in. Be careful of splashing.
So it'll dilute as you mix it. Looking more and more like a gravy.
I have more liquid than I would like, so I'm going to let it cook down a little bit.
You want it to be a little thicker.
Yeah, but it needs green, needs peas.
Mmm.
Okay, we'll add a little bit of color and bite to the sabji.
Oh, it's getting thicker.
We have bao, we have bhaji, we have some coriander chutney, and some fresh onions that are mildly pickled with lemon and salt. Oh, and some like Indian pickles. So this one is red chilies and that one's mango. So we like to sauce it up.
Okay, time to dig in.
Yay!
As you can see, plant-based eating is easy and fun, but it can be a challenge to try something new, to start a new habit, like cooking more from scratch, so that you avoid some of those more packaged and processed foods that are less healthy. To eat more whole, nutritious foods, it sometimes helps to build a food repertoire or a list of key meals that you can make, that you like, and that are good for you too. Meal planning is also helpful for a lot of busy families. To get you started, we have a list of plant-based recipes on our website, and you can share your own too.
Giant pot of compost.
So this all goes into creating more what?
Plants!
Keeping the compost in the freezer is a great way to make sure that it doesn't get all stinky until you're ready to take it out, which we are almost ready.